how to take out the tail light for the is300. If you haven't taken off the cap in a long ass time, it's gonna be really stuck in there. Don't mind the background music. When you take out the cap, it's two 10mm bolts. And you just pull out the tail light. Just pull out like that way. There's two clips on right here. Your signal light, reverse light, and another brake light. So I'm replacing this. Check it, see if it works before you put it back in. If it don't work, you flip it around. Here it works. You know that works. Put everything back. When you try to put your taillights back in, it might be a trouble. Make sure the bottom side hooks in first before you go in, so you slant it in, hook it in, and then it's in. Put your screws and stuff back on, and you're done. The easiest tail light remover ever.